Do you want to be able to reset your Eufy doorbell camera? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So as you can see, this is actually surprisingly quite easy. To be able to actually reset your Eufy doorbell, you need to basically press and hold the sync button that is located on the back on the camera until you will be able to see the camera's LED rapid flash blue. And it's going to be roughly 15 seconds. So what you're going to do, you're going to locate the sync button that is going to be on the back of the camera. So in here, as you can see, it can be a bit hard to see like this, but this is the sync button here. So you're going to just click on it and you're going to roughly hold it for about 15 seconds, maybe even longer, but basically until you see the camera's LED rapid flash blue basically. I hope that makes sense. So just hold it for 15 to 20 seconds maybe, and after that you will be able to reset it. So this is basically exactly how to do this.